Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited today to bring you guys this news that Google has absolutely jumped on the bandwagon, guys. ChatGPT, I think, is going to die because guess what, guys? Google is bringing all its AI data, all the information, all the data that it has combined into an AI, and they're calling it AI Brad. There you go, guys. It's official. CoinGate has given this news on their website saying Google ChatGPT alternative AI Brad chatbot is there and how to access it, and the details are inside. Obviously, let's go and have a look at it, what they're saying. So, as you can see in this picture, it's beautiful. So ChatGPT and Google, they're just rivaling each other and staring right into their eyes, into each other's eyes. Google has unveiled Brad, a ChatGPT alternative that makes use of its own language model for the dialogue application LAMDA. Just a few days prior, Google CEO Sundar Pichai provided an update on the company's progress during an earnings call. According to the Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai's blog post, the service will initially be made available to the trusted testers. So they're not going to launch it and give it to the whole general public. First of all, they're going to give it to their trusted testers before becoming more widely accessible to the general public. In the upcoming weeks, consumers will be able to use the company's language model as a companion to search, guys. So everybody, whoever was saying Google is dead, Google is out of business, Google is this, Google is that, no way, guys, no way. I am super excited and I can't wait because I know for a fact that Google is going to do a much better job than ChatGPT or OpenAI guys are doing at the moment. Okay, so let's read further down. How the ChatGPT alternative functions. A chatbot powered by AI named Google Bard can respond to a variety of questions in ChatGPT-like conversational style. Google claims that the bot uses online resources to produce original, high-caliber responses. What that means is, guys, it's what Google's going to do obviously is going to be absolutely up-to-date information, whereas ChatGPT does not have got any more data after 2021. So if you ask anything, let's say if you ask the Bitcoin's today's price, it won't be able to tell you. If you ask anything that is happening right now, like what's happening in Russia or whatever, it will not be able to, and between Russia and Ukraine, it will not be able to give you any answers. Whereas the AI bot is going to absolutely revolutionize this thing, guys. Wait and watch. I think it's going to change the humanity for good and forever. Okay, let's see what else it says. In addition to releasing Bard, Google will also make its existing AI models available for developers to build upon. Wow, that's good news and great news for the developers. The generative language API will initially be powered by LAMDA with additional language models to follow. However, it will be available to individual developers, creators, and businesses starting next month. Wow! So it's just going to be starting next month, guys. All we have is Fab in between, and then in March, hopefully in the first week of March, it will start, and then we'll be able to use it. Which I stated that over time they plan to develop a collection of tools and APIs. Also, it's going to make it simpler for other developers, more innovative. So, to cut the story short, guys, basically there is a rival for ChatGPT, guys. I know there are other chatbots at the moment, but they are nowhere near ChatGPT, what ChatGPT is. But according to myself, my opinion, purely nobody else's, Google is going to kill it, guys. Google is going to absolutely smash ChatGPT. Okay. So if you found value in this, guys, as always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel so it helps me and helps the YouTube algorithm as well. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching.